The U.S. State Department has approved a foreign military sale of laser-guided advanced precision kill weapons systems all-up rounds to Saudi Arabia, valued at $100 million. According to the Defense Security Cooperation Agency, the kingdom has requested up to 2,000 APKWS units to enhance its precision targeting capabilities while minimizing collateral damage. The sale includes not only the precision-guided weapons but also spare parts, support equipment, missile software, and comprehensive training, technical, and logistical support. If finalized, the deal would bolster Saudi Arabia's ability to address both current and future threats. It would also support the foreign policy goals of the U.S. by improving the security of a partner country that is a force for political stability and economic progress in the Gulf region, the DSCA noted. The sale still requires congressional approval before moving forward. Developed by BAE Systems, the APKWS-2 is a powerful weapon system that transforms standard rockets into precision-guided munitions, significantly enhancing their effectiveness. The system uses the Mk-66 Mod 4 rocket motor and is equipped with a 10-pound, 4.5 kg high-explosive warhead. In addition to exceptional accuracy, the APKWS is capable of reaching a speed of up to 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet per second. The weapon has been effectively used to destroy Houthi one-way attack drones, proving its reliability in real-world combat situations.